Hello students, how are you? I hope you're fine. I'm fine here. With new update, I'm here with you again and this is very important update regarding your examination. So students, you have to see complete video because of I'm about to give you important updates regarding your website. SOL website, Delhi University's website. I'm giving you a link in description box. You can check directly by there. Firstly, I won't tell you. You will see there, you will read there in first notification. But before notification, I won't tell you that your examination will be conducted in month of July. It means next month. So be alert. Be alert because of your exam about to start. So study well. And now we will talk regarding your notification. Firstly, I'm talking regarding first notification. So you will find there, you will read there that you have to submit your examination fees. Examination fees what? Examination fees just for those students who didn't submit it still now. If you submitted your annual fee, uh, maybe your examination fees included in your annual fee per annum, you can say. So don't be curious, don't take tension about this. This is just information for those students who didn't submitted the examination fees. And meanwhile, I'm telling you that in last video I have told you your examination will conduct in month of July. So So, university is pre-planning that if any student didn't submitted their fee, still now they have to submit before 30 May 2020. Remember it. This date is very important for you. And who submitted? Don't worry. This is not for you. Who student are they seeing this and who didn't submit still now? They will submit before 30 May 2020, right? And now we will talk regarding second notification. You will see in second notification that if you want participate in webinar, then you can participate. I didn't see deeply that notice, but in conclusion, I can tell you that if you want participate in webinar, you can participate. You have to read that term and condition. You have to read all things regarding that webinar. And then if you like it, then you can participate that one. And there is not any fee charges. This is zero charges. So if you want it, if you want participate that, you can do that. So both are important news for you. And I was thinking a lot of times have passed. I didn't make any video regarding a soul site, so I made that. So student, these are two notifications which I gave you in description box. Link is available here. You can check if you want to read it, and you can see deeply there. You can read, and if you didn't submit your fees, mainly you have to submit before 30th May 2020. Just it. And I have told you last video that firstly, third year examination, BA third year, BCom third year, or you can say third year examination will be conducted before, and then second year, then first year. So students, just it. There is 2 or 3 notification in the website. You can check directly. And if you didn't subscribe still now this channel, please subscribe this channel because of whenever date sheet will publish on the website, upload on the website, I'll confirm you. And I think within 2 or 3 days, today is 27th, and within 2 or 3 days, many updates, 1 or 2 updates will be uploaded on the website, Delhi University's website. I'll confirm you later after 1 day or 2 days whenever it will publish, and I'll provide you a link in description box also. Then you will know about your examination and date sheet, etc., etc. Whatever information will be there, I'll provide you. I'll try. So students, I request you again in this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe this channel. 7 or 8 months have passed. This is my new YouTube channel and I want your support. If you will give me support, this channel can grow, otherwise not. So please I request you, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Bell icon's role is very big. If you will press bell icon, you know very well that you will get all notification regarding towards this channel. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.